In this video, I'll be showing you how to hide the product count that appears on your Shopify collection pages. It's a simple way to keep your site clean and minimal. So first head over to your Shopify admin and click on online store. Then you'll click on themes. Then you'll go to the actions button and click on edit code. Then you'll search for a file named base.css. It can be theme.css or style.css. In your case, it will be similar, or it can be custom.css. So in this code, you'll now further scroll down, all the way down, and there is no space here, so you'll just click on the last line and press enter. So now you have space to edit code. Now you are going to just paste this code as shown in the screen. Then you are going to click on save on the top right corner. You will now go to your storefront and refresh the collection page. The product count should be now hidden.